Hi and welcome back to another quick video that picks up where we left off last time with our whale tails. You'll remember that we extracted the JPEG from the Facebook group page that were kindly provided by Kerry Betts. We inserted it into a Word document and then we resized it and cropped it. Now the thing we're going to tackle today is inserting text. Jen Sinclair kindly suggested that she'd like to know how to do this. I'm sure she knows how, but I think she was thinking of those that perhaps don't know, which is very kind of her. So here we go. Can we insert text? Yes, we can. The first thing we need to do is create some text. So if we go up to the top left to the insert, move across the menu bar that drops down until we see text box. If we click on that, we get two options: draw a text box or draw a vertical text box. In this instance we're just going to do normal text in line with the music paper, so we'll just draw a text box. Click on that one and then we can draw away. Now this is quite small to see, so what I'll change is the view. Go to view, change it to page width, and then you'll see that we're much closer in and we can see what we're doing. What we do, I think, is obviously they're whale tail tags, so usually you label them, and in this instance I'll just do the days of the week. Well, I'll just do Monday, but obviously once you've done one you can do them all. So we type Monday into the text box, and the next thing we need to do is, if I was to drag that text box over those, you can see that it's got a black line around it and a white background which obscures the whale tail. So what the first thing we need to do in this instance then is go across to where it says format shape. Sometimes it says format pane, which you have to open and you get this pane down the side, but I'm sure you'll manage that. Then if we click on the painty can thing, you'll see that the fill option at the moment is a solid fill and the line is a solid line. We need to put that, the first one, on the fill as no fill, and you can see that instantly makes that transparent, and all we see then is the black box with the Monday. And if we click on the no line, it removes that line. You still see it at the moment because it's selected. If I was to unselect it, then all you would see is the Monday in the black. So what we're going to do is perhaps say put that Monday there, but we just the black, you can leave it at that size. You can change the colour. So if you go back up to the top menu that says home, you then get the text options. At the moment it's in Calibri. Any of the fonts that are on your computer will be available to use. In this instance I shall just use the Chalk Duster, which is quite a nice font. Put that there. At the moment it's size 12, which fits reasonably well onto that whale tail because we'll have sized those before. I can make it slightly bigger maybe. There we go, and put that there. And so we've now could print that out, and that Monday would appear on that whale tail just as you see it there. If we wanted to change the colour, you select that text box again and go up to where it says the A with the coloured line underneath, and you've got any number of colours you can choose. This what they call theme colours, standard colours, recent colours that we've used, and more colours. If you click on more colours you get a number of options. One that's relatively new is pencils, so you can just go along and select which pencil you would like. Let's say that nice yellow there. Select that and click on OK, and it will change that text then to yellow. I'm not saying that's the perfect colour, but it stands out on the screen so you can see it. So there we go, that's inserted text upon that whale tail. Obviously if you do the same you can put Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday all the way through to Sunday. I forgot what the days of the week were then. But bearing in mind these are whale tails, so there's sort of a part in the middle where it folds over, we may wish to put that Monday on the reverse of that, so no matter which way you're flipping through the book you would see the Monday. So we can right click on that, we can right click, copy it and paste it, and then you'll see we get another box that appears. Obviously this text box at the moment is quite large, but it's irrelevant because it's transparent, but you can bring it in to that sort of size and it won't affect the text. If you go any further it starts shuffling the text down to make it fit the box. So we just put that there on the opposite side. Now obviously if we print that out, then on the one on the back would be upside down because the bottom bit's going to fold up or the top one's going to fold over. So one of them needs to turn round. On that text box just above where it's drawn there's a sort of a arrow, circular arrow mark. If you click on that, hold it, then you can turn that round and it'll snap in at 180 degrees. Then if you were to position that on that whale tail, you could print that out, and no matter which way you fold that, whichever the sides ends up on the front, it will read the right way. So there we go. Then you can repeat that for all of the days, and you can mark up your whale tail tags with the days of the week, numbers, ABC, whatever you want. Bills, you need at least 3 tags for that. Income, 1 tag. And there we go. I hope that's sort of explained how we add text to things. And if you've got any questions, any other things that you'd like to see, you know where to ask. And I'll hand you back to Miss P. Bye.